Ka office yung district medical and health officer di manager West Castle district nong ston menta ka sngi kala yo ban perlong jing lang halor ka jingkan mau observation international day against drug abuse and illicit trafficking kapang peneng jong keting jinglang ka balalong menta ka sngi hepo ka nong ston college nong ston kadai halor the evidence is clear invest in prevention but hakatika sngi ba Swer MCS ADC ke West Castles ulalong kumukong san harkar ke jingdon lang ubikram di marak superintendent of police ke West Castle district ka kong ai shadap clinical psychologist bat kiwe ukong san hapa ajing keren ulong baka Jingwan Lynshop jong une jing di pen buat bakan sya kadai ke Jingwan Hiar Thma ka bana Shabar ban kini ika hok jong ka jaj ban reu ka barung ling bagi Khun Samla ha ka baki longying long sem ki pat ki pra bat ki jat.
How many types of drugs are there? Drugs is a chemical composition that we use for various purposes. Okay? So when you use, we say drug use. When the doctors prescribe medication, you have seen a medical shop where it's written drugstore. Have you seen? Yes? Do you need to say they sell drugs to, to fix or maybe to... Is it that? No. Right? Drugs means different compositions of chemicals that are used to treat certain disease, but and drug abuse. What is drug abuse? Abuse, not use, abuse. What is abuse? Yes. What is abuse? Anyone? When you miss. Yes. Let me see the right side, the ladies or the gentlemen here, the boys or the girls. Let me see who will answer. Abuse. What is abuse? Come on, girls, or come on, boys. Abuse. Abuse is that misuse or you are taking that is not required. For example, sometimes the doctor gives you a cough syrup and the doctor has written only for 5 days. And then what happened? You take it like, in your own, since you like it, you take it for a long time. That is, you're abusing. Okay? You understood, right? So if you see, it is observation of International Day against drug abuse, not drug use, drug abuse. You misuse. Most of the time, how many types of drugs are there? Yes. There are only 2 types. You must be thinking, hey, she's crazy, what she's saying 2 types. There's 2 types. One is what we call legal drugs. Legal drugs means when you go and buy, police will not catch you. Like what? Very good, medicine, yes. And what else? What else? Medicine. Anything else that they will not catch you? That is known as legal drugs. Even alcohol. Do you catch these people when you go and buy alcohol? No. But in the shop open, you have seen, no? Lots of shop open. When you go and buy, that is permitted, right? So legal drugs, illegal drugs. Can you give me example? What is illegal drugs? Yes. Illegal drugs, where the police will be behind you. Okay? Means which is not legal, which is illegal means which they give hidingly. Like what? Anyone can give me example? Anyone? Come on, all the students over here. Even in your classroom, you do this. Yeah? Have you heard? drugs that the police will catch you. You have not heard? No. Then wow, excellent. I guess this one, evidence is clear, invest in prevention. So this is prevention, which means I will give you information, but with that information, you still want to take drugs, then it's a problem. Okay?
Coming to the heavy one. Suppose you just not only take drugs or abuse yourself, but instead you wanted to become rich overnight. Transporting, carrying, selling, okay, and it has got two things: commercial quantity and small quantity. Small quantity, okay, 10,000 fine and only 10 years imprisonment only, because we Indians love to calculate money. Only if it is 1 crore also behind, it will be only. Okay, so 10 years only with 10,000 fine. The fine has been decreased, and your duration of staying has been increased. That is for the small quantity. Suppose you are caught with the commercial quantity. Commercial quantity 5 grams and above. If you are thinking of buying a vehicle overnight and you indulge in this business, you get caught, and that also with me, gone case. How much do you think is the punishment if you get caught with the commercial quantity? How much? Any idea? Any guessing? 10 to 20 years. Your teenage is finished. Your adulthood also half 50%. So my question is, and that also along with 1 to 2 lakhs only fine. That means that may be for your, I think, fooding and accommodation charges for spending 10 to 20 years in the jail. So got the punishment. So the choice is yours. I leave the choice to you. You want to get caught for 1 year, or you want to get caught for 20 years, or you don't want to get caught also. Choice is yours. Okay? You all are teenage, like you said. We are teenage, right? So you know the punishment now, and Madam have given you the consequences, and Madam has narrated the stories also, which we can call it a live story, not a fiction. Okay, it's a fact. And I am telling you, in West Khasi Hills itself, there are few cases where drug abuser has died because of overdose. So Nongstein is not lagging behind. We are developing, but I don't want to see this development as a law enforcement agency and as a SP. I don't want to see this. That's why the youngsters are here today, like you all, so that you know what is good and what is bad. And again, it has been referred in Madam. Always get yourself knowledgeable on these things. Don't get carried away by the peer group. Yes, I know. School days, college days, we have friends left, right. Without friends, we don't eat. Without friends, we don't study. And temptation is high. I think, true. We also came from the stage where you are now. Temptation is high. Do you agree? Yes. Have you tried then? Don't tell lie. Don't tell lie. See, we